Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a fiscal year on QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is open your QuickBooks account. You have to log into your QuickBooks account with your login credentials, your email address and password. Then after that, you have to do is simply you can find this type of dashboard. At the left side you can find the navigation section, and at the top right corner you can find the gear icon where you will be able to find this account and settings under your company here. Then you can find the account and settings, and you can do is scroll down, and here you can find the left side lots of options where you can find the advanced. Now at the very beginning you can find the accounting where you can find the pencil icon. Here you can click on it, and for setting up a fiscal year on your business or on your company on the QuickBooks Online, so you have to do is here you can find an option that is close the books, which you will be you need to toggle it on. So once you have added, you have to choose the year. So for example, the 26th and the 1st, just like this. Once you have set the closing date here, so it can easily set the fiscal year for your business. You have to simply click on save, and once you have done it, it will help you to set up a fiscal year on your QuickBooks Online. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.